Okay, we got Infinity. This is a 2014 Infinity 6-cylinder thermostat. It's not good. This right here, as you can see, it's open. Okay, and this is the new one. It is closed. You can see how high it is on this thing, and the other one is very. This one is high. The other one is low, which is closed. What I did, I glued the gasket in it because I did it without taking nothing apart. Just the cooling reservoir is right there, and the bracket that holds the reservoir, which is this one. That's it. Take it out, and now we're gonna put it on, fish it in. I gotta mention that I did disconnect the timing solenoids or whatever you call that thing. I disconnected because the plug is on, it was on my way. You need a good light. You got my long light, my flashlight, just to see what you're doing. Or close, you're not really gonna see down there. But long as you got, when you pull it out, make sure all the gasket came with it. That's the original gasket, so it's no pieces stuck down there. So the new gasket, I glue it to the new piece. Now it's dry, still a little wet, but now I'm gonna fish it in and put the bolts. You cannot see, you can only touch. So that's how we're gonna do it. So we're gonna put it on. Okay, so what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna leave the bolts on. I'm gonna fish it in with the bolts, put it in, and turn the bolts with my little extension in a 10mm socket. So there we go. I wish I had 3 hands so I can hold the phone, but let's do it. Okay, I put a mirror down there. Let's see if you can see a little bit. I want to inspection the gasket, so I'm already did it. Now I'm showing you on the camera. That's how it look inside. So it looks clean. So now when I get both hands down there, you're definitely not gonna see the mirror. But alright, got in my hands, the gasket on, bolts on. I put a little silicone on the bolts so that they don't fall, and I'm ready to go in. Okay, got it in. So now with one hand and 2 fingers at the same time, the same hand that's holding it, the 2 front fingers are turning the bolts. So I got the bottom bolt on. Now I'm working on the other bolt. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my extension. And you can see in the mirror, it's already there. It's already in. So now we're working on to put all 3 bolts finger tight with extension. Okay, we're not gonna tighten them up. Just finger tight, all 3. You don't want to cross thread one, and then you have a big problem. Then you really gotta take things apart. And that's it. We tighten them up. Now we're gonna put the hose, fill them up, and that's it. It's not a hard job. It's worse than I thought it was really hard to do, but it's not bad.